Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Builderall for funnel and email marketing, full guide step by step clearly. To download Builderall, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Builderall website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the sign up or get started button. Click on the button to initiate the sign up process. You may be directed to a page outlining the pricing plans. Review the plans and select the one that best suits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Get Started or Join Now button. You will now be required to create an account. Fill in the necessary information, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security. Once you have entered all required details, click on the Create Account button. After creating your account, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Builderall homepage. Log in using your newly created account credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the Apps or Tools section. In this section, find the Builderall funnel and email marketing tools. Click on the tool you wish to use first. Follow any prompts to set up or download the application as needed. Once the process is complete, you will have access to the funnel and email marketing features. Now you're ready to start creating your marketing campaigns with Builderall. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.